Hi, my name is Heather Harbin, and I hope to one day become an astrophysicist. If I told you there is a way to unlock the secrets to the universe, to clear away the dust of obscurity, and to recognize the pattern and rhythm of your surroundings, would you want to know what it is? And if I told you that the key was mathematics, would you still want it? For some people, the answer at this point may become no. Math has always been an enigmatic subject, but I'm here to show you that math doesn't have to be terrifying. In fact, it is something of incredible beauty and importance. It is, after all, the basis upon which everything in the entire universe works. Let's start with some basic definitions. First, what is physics? Physics is the study of the way matter interacts and the mathematical behaviors underlying these interactions. Second, what is a kinematic equation? In physics, kinematic equations are the basic equations from which we can do algebraic operations to find out more about a situation. This kind of operation is what I will be showing you today. Step 1 is always to write down what we are given. We know that Kong's initial height, y0, is 380 meters, and just from logic, we know his final height, y, is 0 meters, and that his initial velocity, v0, is 0 meters per second. Step 2 is to determine which kinematic equation is appropriate for our problem. To determine this, we must consider which variables we are given and which we need to find. In order to solve for time, we can use the equation y equals y0 plus v0 t plus 1/2 gt squared. After this, it's just simple algebra and plugging in our givens to find the answer. We first rearrange our equation so that everything is set equal to t, and then we plug in our values. Remember, g, the acceleration due to gravity, is equal to negative 9.8. Woo! We got it. The cool part is that now that we have t, we can easily find the next variable in question, v, or final velocity. Again, we determine the appropriate kinematic equation to use. In this case, it is v equals v0 plus gt, and, luckily for us, there is no algebra to do here. We plug in our values, and we're all done. That wasn't too bad, right? Of course, calculating information about King Kong's unfortunate descent from the Empire State Building isn't exactly on par with making groundbreaking discoveries in the fields of quantum mechanics, but everything must have a starting place, and this happens to be ours. What I hope to have taught you today is that physics is not something to be feared, but rather a tool to understand our surroundings. The key to discovering all kinds of information, from the duration of our poor gorilla friend's plunge to the properties of the universe itself, is math.